God. Whew. Probably set 4 more. And call it a day. Head to the wood shop. I got wood to turn. But nevertheless, having said that, now's a good time to have a Scooby Snack. Oh. Sight. Whew, I got some good sets out, I'm telling you. God. Excuse me. If you don't enjoy being out here, if you don't enjoy this, look at this. Look at my view. Raining. I'm dry as a chip. A potato chip. Say it again, Dexter. A tater chip. Enough foolishness now. But I got 4 more sets. I'm going to establish my line all the way out. Do a dirt hole. There's an awesome place out here. And I'm going to situate my line to the end. Which now there'll be a lot more than 4 more traps out here, trust me. I'm just establishing the end of my line. This is an awesome day. That air's starting to get cold up here. The hill out there, Slicky Ridge. It's rutted and gutted. I'm going to work on it. But nevertheless, I got you out here with me, running the line. I'm loaded back there. I got enough stuff back there to set 50 traps. I'm just going to set probably about 9 today. Everything's went smooth, you know, so it is what it is. But follow along with us. I got some good sets out if I don't get robbed. Robbed meaning if I don't get hit by the coyotes and they get my bait. I don't mean thieves. Because tomorrow or Wednesday is camera day. I got to start setting cameras. So, got a lot of them set too. I got the batteries changed in all of them. All I got to do is put them up and turn them on, let them go. Hopefully get some footage. I want some action footage. I want some trap. I want some trap footage. What's that wind? I'm going to eat me a Scooby Snack, kick up, relax, and set a few more traps. I'm going to call it a day. Not using near as much wax dirt as I thought I would. That stuff's going a long, long way. And the thing about wax dirt, unless you get a miss or a catch, I have to do a reset. I don't care how cold it gets. I don't care what the weather brings. And I've got probably about 8 more gallons to make. So stay with us, follow us. It's Road Smith Mountain Bushcrafters Alliance. As always, go farther, stay longer. I'll catch you out in the field. I'm going to have me a Scooby Snack.